Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. My knee is killing me. Boys and girls, my knee is painful. But we're going to unbox my FabFitFun. I'm so excited to have it. I got to choose everything because I'm an annual member. So I'm very excited to see what it is I chose. I don't remember. That's always fun. And I've got a mystery package in here also. Woo! Look at all this stuff. This is going to be a challenge. I'm going to set it right here to my left and just pull things out as we go. First off, this is awesome. I got a sample of Rola throat balm, soothes and protects caramel flavor with liquid center. Yum. That's always good when I do karaoke because I'm always hooting and hollering. And then my $19.99 mystery package is right here. It's a little on the small side, but it's got several things in here. What is this? Oh, this is some earrings. They look like little rose earrings. Let's see if I can't get one of them. They're very delicate and very pretty. This will make a great gift. And it says made in the USA, sustainable and ethical. Very nice. So a set of earrings. That's probably worth 20 bucks right there. Then we have from the Skin Chemist London Instant Lift Anti-Aging Hydro Eye Gel Pads. It's always nice to get those under eye pads. As you can tell, I have under eye issues. And then last but not least, Marula Nourishing Serum Marula, natural, vegan, cruelty-free from Jubil Naturals. And it says deeply rejuvenates tired skin and signs of aging. All right, so this is going to be super great. A nice Marula oil. Everybody loves a Marula oil. That's some good stuff. All right, now usually there's a little booklet in here, but I don't see the booklet. But let's just start with this. I got the Palo Santo and Patchouli Lodge candle from Free People. And I love the smell of patchouli and Palo Santo. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like everything you want fall to smell like, and it's a beautiful amber color glass jar. Very nice. We love it. Then I chose the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum, which is fantastic. This box is like $50 every quarter if you subscribe annually. And this is worth about between 30 and 40 bucks. So that and the candle pay for the box. Very nice. Then from Verb, we have the Ghost Prep Heat Protectant, weightless moisture and heat protection, frizz control. And Verb stuff is amazing. So I'm glad to have that. Then I have from Cuscio Botanicals a sandalwood and sage body wash. And who doesn't love sandalwood and sage? I know I do. Then we have this big travel bag, and this is beautiful. And I was excited to choose a travel bag. And it's from Alice and Olivia. And it's a really good size bag. And it's a beautiful pattern, and I just think it's beautiful. I say beautiful like 3 times. But I really love that bag. Then I have one more thing. This has gone fast. Pure Skin Face Cleanser from First Day Beauty, which is a great, fantastic cleanser. I feel like I'm missing some stuff. I feel like I'm missing things because we get to choose 6 things. So the bag, this, the candle, the serum, the hair thing. No, that's 6. 6 things. I just didn't get the great magazine that gives me details about stuff. But I got some really amazing things. Definitely worth the price of admission. I'm super glad that I signed up for annual again, because then I don't have to worry about it. I just pay once a year, and then it feels like I'm getting stuff for free. And I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon.